Hi guys, it's Thomas here and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a little bit about an tool that I've been using almost every day. It saves me several hours of work almost every day, as I said, and on top it's free of charge to use. So what's not to like, right? And that tool is called Perplexity Deep Research. So, what is deep research? This is essentially an AI powered tool which autonomously generates comprehensive reports on a wide range of topics. It does so by performing numerous searches and analyzing hundreds of sources that are publicly available online and delivering answers in just a couple of minutes. So usually it would take around 2 to 4 minutes for Perplexity Deep Research to come up with a summary or a report that would take a human researcher several hours. And in this video, I want to talk about a little bit about who Perplexity Deep Research is for, and what are the different use cases you can use it for. And then I also want to give you a showcase of how to use Perplexity Deep Research and what sort of outcomes you can expect to get. So, firstly, who's it for? I would say that if you find yourself doing a lot of research online, trying to compile sources, trying to run analysis and summary on different kinds of data, then deep research is a great tool for you. So you can be either an researcher or an academic that's putting together literature reviews. You can be a business analyst, for example, looking for market data. You can be a student or educator, of course. You can be a startup founder who's looking to get detailed insights into market trends, putting together SWOT analyses, building industry landscapes, etc., etc. So basically, if you're a knowledge worker working online, you find yourself using Google a lot, trying to find information, compile information, then this tool is a great fit for you. And as I said, you can use it for a variety of use cases, from market sizings, report writings, marketing research, financial analysis, and so on and so on. The last thing I would mention here is the business model, because the deep research by Perplexity is currently free of charge to use for a couple of queries a day. So right now, I think it's like 3 queries that you can run daily, completely free of charge, which is great, because a similar capability by OpenAI is available only in their Pro tier, which currently costs $200 a month. So I believe Perplexity is a great way if you want to try this type of capability. It's a great choice, because essentially it gives you this freemium model, and already having 3 or 4 queries a day free of charge can save you actually a lot of time and effort. So, with that being said, let me now give you a quick overview of how I use deep research by Perplexity, and what sort of outcomes you can expect to see, and how to prompt the system. Okay, so let's now take a look on how to use Perplexity in practice, and show you how it works, and yeah, how to use it and what are the best practices. So after you log in, after you go to perplexity.ai and log in, basically you can use your social login, like your Google account. So it's very simple, one-click affair to log in, and you will come to a very simple interface like this. So first of all, what you need to do, don't forget to change the mode to deep research here. And you can also use what sources will Perplexity be looking for. So it's either web, academic, or social. So make sure to turn on and off whatever is most relevant for what you're looking for. So let me now paste my prompt that I want to use. And basically, what I've decided to do is to l- carry out an analysis of the dietary supplements market in the US. So let me just format the prompt a little bit better and explain what I'm trying to achieve here. So as you can see, as I said, it's I want to conduct an in-depth analysis of a U.S. dietary supplements market, and then I go on to kind of give Perplexity sort of like a step-by-step way that I want to structure this report and the types of data I want to look for. So I would say that there are two tips here I have from for prompting, which are very important. So first of all is clarity and specificity. So be sure to kind of clearly define the scope of analysis to ensure focused and relevant information. And also, the second big one is structured approach. So it's best to have sort of an idea in your mind how you want the output to look like. So, like you can see here, I'm asking it for to first of all begin by providing a definition of the dietary supplements. Then I want it to go on by exploring market sizing, identifying key factors driving market expansion, examining regulatory frameworks, and concluding with emerging trends. So it really helps, as I said, if you have an idea about how you want the output to look like and explain this to the model step by step. And that really helps the system to kind of like build an outcome that you will be happy with. So with that being said, let's sort of like do let Perplexity do its work. And once you click on the go button, you will see that deep research starts to do its work. And it's also great that you can see the chain of thought being generated yeah, in real time. And you can also see the different sources that Perplexity is reading through. So this analysis might take 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. So um, let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm back after a few minutes, and this is the result that came out based on my prompt. So as you can see, uh, Deep Research follows the structure that I asked it to. So basically, if we zoom in, for example, on the market size and growth projections, you can see there is a decent research here. It identified the key growth drivers for the industry. It identified the competitive landscape and major players, etc., etc. So this is the type of outcome that you can expect Perplexity Deep Research to give you. And of course, you can ask follow-ups. So if you're not happy with some of the answers, you can zoom in on any information further. What is also quite helpful is that it also shows you all the photos and videos it went through. So usually here you will find pretty helpful either tables or charts or whatever it was able to find. And also the citations work pretty well. So as you can see, for all of these claims and statistics and data points, there are citations included. So I would say that deep research is even great, even if you don't use the outcome itself. It's a really great tool that helps you to identify the primary sources, basically, that you can sort of like then double click on and explore on your own. And it's also what is also super helpful is that you can export this outcome as a PDF, which that basically means that you have a report like this, which I would assume is 3-4 pages, generated in 2 minutes, and it usually gives you like a really good head start to whatever research or data gathering or analysis you need to do. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I've been using this tool on a daily basis in my workflows. It's been pretty helpful, so I wanted to share a little bit of an insight into it with you guys. I hope that's been helpful and interesting for you. And I encourage you to check out Perplexity Deep Research, play around with it, and it can save you a lot of time and effort. So check it out, and thank you very much for checking this video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.